Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on talkback in Google phone device. Friends, you want to on talkback in your Google phone device, so how to on guys talkback in Google phone device. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to on talkback in Google phone device and how to use it. Friends, we will on phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, you can see the stuff setting in a Google phone device. So friends, where is talkback setting? Guys, you can find guys talkback in your phone. Accessibility setting. Accessibility guys, we will on. Friends, first you can see talkback. So friends, you want to use guys this talkback. So friends, you can on, and friends, you can use. Friends, we will have to give permission. So we will give permission, and friends, you can see next.
Talkback on next button. Next but
First of all guys, let me decrease
sound
volume.
settings.
And friends, now guys, how to use talkback guys.
Music
You can use
volume
guys
set
your
to
double
30.
tap.
50% except
So I one tap and double tap. I one tap and double tap. And so you can see one tap and double tap. One tap and double tap guys. You can use guys your.
close tutorial.
So guys, home button we will press here. Friends, you can use guys talkback with two finger guys. One finger will not work. Friends, two finger guys, you can easily use guys your talkback setting in your Google phone device. Friends, you want to own any app, so guys you can on guys with double tap. Example guys, YouTube, one tap and guys double tap to on YouTube.
No
So
connection.
friends, you can use guys your YouTube app like that. One tap and double tap to use it. Okay, one finger will not work guys, two finger guys we will have to use it. So like that guys we can on talkback, and guys we can use it in Google phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. So guys, a person who is blind guys, they use talkback because guys they want to own something, any app, and guys something else. Like example guys, they want to own guys photos app. So guys they click on photos and guys they double tap. Example guys, they want to use Play Store. So guys they one tap and guys they listen Play Store sound, and they double tap to on Play Store. Back, double tap. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. I hope you understood how to on talkback and how to use it in Google phone device. So bye guys.